Hello, friends. We're going to continue with our pronunciation practice today. This, by the way, is Muriel, and Muriel is fluent in English and Romanian, just like you are going to be. We're going to practice the voiced TH sound now. That is the sound that is represented by this symbol. So it is exactly the same as the voiceless TH. However, while you make the sound and blow air out between your teeth, you're going to at the same time make a humming sound in your throat. So you want your mouth to be slightly open, and you want to put your tongue just in between your teeth, like this. As you blow out air, you're going to make a humming sound in your throat. Like that. It's kind of like a fly. That is the voiced TH sound. Let's try it. I'll do it, you do it. Not bad. So what words do we find this in? Well, we find it mostly in functional words in English. For example, that. I'll say it, you say it. That. That. Not bad. Than. 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 Better. There. There. I say it, you say it. There. There. Yes. Then. 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 I say it, you say it. Then. Yes. They. 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 Those. Those. I say it, you say it. Those. Those. Excellent. Those. Yes. Them. Them. I say it, you say it. Them. Them. Yes. Mother. Mother. I say it, you say it. Mother. Mother. Yes. Father. Father. I say it, you say it. Father. Father. Uh-huh. Weather. Weather. I say it, you say it. First time, very slowly. Weather. Weather. Nice. Breathing. Breathing. I say it, you say it. Breathing. Breathing. Yes. Other. Other. Notice the shape of my mouth. Other. 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 Yes. Rather. Rather. I say it, you say it. Rather. Rather. Yes. Very, very good. So, to recap, the voiced TH is exactly the same as the voiceless TH, except that we make a humming sound in our throat as we say it. For example, we have breath and breathe. Thanks. See you next time.